Chitra Resort travel blog.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I came up with a new video today on my YouTube. I visited Chitra Resort with my two sisters. Chitra Resort is one of our beautiful resort in Norail. People all of ages come to visit here. Oh nice, my two sisters was very happy to come here. Wow, there is also a fairy tale forest here. We have now entered the fairy tale forest. Friends, you are visit here from the country and other country. Friends, I came here Chitra Resort in very happy. My two sisters are very happy to come here. Whoa, good. My little sister is very happy that she started running the around. Now I am blocking them. My little sister love to make TikTok video. I giving him a TikTok video. Wow, my little sister is look very beautiful and cute.
ओ तेरे संग यारा कुछ रंग बहारा तू रात दीवान.
At last, finally I made a video. I will make video warming burqa from now on. My burqa's color is a green because I love green. Green is very beautiful color. Now we back to home. Friends, bye. Like and comment if you like the video. Allah Hafiz.